So yeah, the LUMIX S9, just made a video about it. I have my gripes. Let's fix it. A couple of my biggest issues that I have with this camera right now are the fact that this lens it's literally like, look at this. It's not, I mean, I have a big head, but like, I feel like this could be the size of someone's head, maybe a baby's head. I don't know, but no, the lens is too big. And there's no side grip. So let me switch hands here. When you hold this camera, like, that's very uncomfortable. And all the influencer videos from 4 months ago had that small Rick grip that they gave you out with it for free. I wonder why. I bought it myself, so let's see if it's any good. We'll get a little creative with the lens. Let's see what we got. Now, I jokingly mentioned the influencer marketing whatever for the small rig handle, but I've used a lot of small rig stuff in the past and I absolutely adore the brand, so I can't see how this isn't good. And then, like I said, we'll get a little creative here. This was a cheapo Canon EF adapter, or no, sorry, Canon FD mount adapter for this throwback of a lens. This was actually on one of, like, maybe the third video I ever made on this channel, where I put this on my T2i with a very similar adapter. We've come full circle. We're going to adapt it to the S9. So I didn't exactly think this through, and I'm extremely lazy. So I literally have my iPhone on my Belkin MagSafe charger right now, and it's acting as a stand. This is hilarious, but let's see. So we'll just twist that off. See that full frame sensor in all its glory. Go ahead and take out the adapter. And I'm gonna go ahead and say this goes this way. Yeah. Right now it's open. You take your FD lens. This is a 28mm f3.5, I believe. Look at me with my memory. All right. And then where's the red dot? I think if I remember correctly, you just do this, twist it this way, and then for extra security, you lock it like that. Holy crap, it is so much more pocketable now. This is great. Where's the standard lens this came with? Oh, there's no back for this. That sucks. I'm gonna have to find a back for this for my lens. Oh wait, no, I have a back. It came with the camera, but I'll find it later. Look at that. Oh, it's a little front heavy, but like compared to that, actually it's not it's not that much shorter, but it is it's definitely thinner, so that's cool. Let's see what this looks like. Take this off of here. So yeah, that's the lens. Honestly, a little tiny bit of a letdown because the adapter was a lot larger than I thought it was going to be, but it is thinner and it somehow does feel more manageable because of that. Probably worth testing before I put the grip on if this even works actually. So let's put it to 3.5. There's f16, f3.5. Focusing works. Takes a photo. Woohoo! All right, now let's do the grip. Back to the Belkin adapter. Oh, this is a tight fit, but we got this. That's environmentally friendly packaging. Ugh. All right, I'm doing it this way. Okay, I like that. It's very small. And then I'm gonna go ahead and assume that this literally just, oh, you would be a freaking one of these. Right back, let me grab like a coin or something. No coins to be found, but I have this cheapo old SanDisk thingy. So maybe this will work for me. It should, honestly. So we just, oh yeah, it works. We're good. So yeah, you just screw it in. Boop. Don't break the card though. Ah. And then, yeah. Oh, that's so much better. So yeah, the lens itself was a tiny bit of a letdown, only because the length didn't really come down all that much. But I do have other vintage lenses that I can play around with, like my Helios, and I think I might even have a smaller FD lying around here somewhere. But no, the grip, oh, it makes it a little bit taller of a camera, but not by much. And the grip now is just so much more manageable. So yeah, actually real quickly before we close out this video, I found my 50mm 1.8 and it is drastically smaller. This is a camera that I wouldn't actually mind carrying around a bag. So this is pretty great. Made the S9 better. Short little video. Bye y'all.